Now, from one fire department to another, this time in Springfield, crews say the monthly tornado siren test was canceled today. It's because of the extremely cold temperatures. They say it could damage the equipment. The department wants to make sure it's reliable during an actual emergency.
We don't test them, and the reason is because those alarms rotate, and the gears have a tendency they can potentially break.
She says if there was an actual emergency, the siren would operate as normal. The regular tornado test will resume next month, weather permitting. They are urging community members to make sure they are signed up for emergency alerts and have multiple ways to get severe weather notifications.